2024 US election is here, and the stakes are higher than ever. This isn't just politics. It's a financial storm waiting to hit the stock market. What's at risk? Your wealth. Today we'll break down the crucial impact this election could have on the stock market, revealing the hidden trends and potential financial moves you can't afford to miss. Now, I know what you're thinking. Not another election video. But this isn't about politics. It's about protecting and growing your money. Why the 2024 election matters to your money one. Historical context and the market's reaction to past election. First, let's rewind. Historically, US elections have had a massive influence on the stock market. Remember the 2020 election? The market was like a roller coaster, one tweet away from plunging or soaring. But here's what's different about 2024. 2. Economic uncertainty, interest rates, inflation, and market volatility. Flashing images of headlines on inflation, interest rates, and market instability. This year, the stakes are even higher. We're dealing with sky-high inflation, unpredictable interest rates, and yes, the dreaded recession whispers. This election could send waves through each of these areas. What does this mean for you? 3. Fear versus opportunity. A power shift in sectors. Would you bet on energy stocks if gas prices went down? Or tech stocks if we entered a recession? Elections bring shifts in government spending and policy focus, which means some sectors will be in and others out. You don't want to be stuck on the wrong side of that divide. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. We're just getting started. Potential scenarios and their impact on the stock market. 4. Scenario 1. Incumbent, party victory, and market stability. First scenario. If the current party stays in power. Generally, the market prefers stability. But let's face it, stability is a relative term here. What could happen if nothing changes at the top? And here's where it gets interesting. There's a flip side. 5. Scenario 2. Opposition party victory and policy shifts. What if we see a leadership change? History shows that a shift in administration usually brings significant policy changes. This can be a double-edged sword for investors. Imagine policy shifts affecting healthcare, green energy, and even cryptocurrency regulations. 6. Impact on key sectors: tech, energy, and finance. Tech stocks, under the microscope. Energy sector, watch carefully. Finance, brace yourself. Each sector could see massive shifts depending on who holds power. Pause. Did you know a single election announcement can wipe out billions? Yeah, it's that powerful. Still with me? If you want more insights like this, hit subscribe. Strategic moves for navigating the election. Impact 7. Stay informed, but don't react emotionally. First things first, stay informed, but don't make decisions based on every news flash or social media buzz. Emotion is the enemy of good investing. 8. Diversify and hedge against market fluctuations. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's your safety net. When in doubt, diversify. Think of it as giving your portfolio a seatbelt for this wild ride. 9. Look at defensive assets like bonds and dividend stocks. If you're feeling cautious, defensive assets might be your friend. Bonds, dividend stocks, they're less flashy, but in volatile times, they're the steady hand you need. Quick quiz. Would you rather lose a bit or risk losing it all? Choose wisely. Alright, so what's next? You've got the insights and the action plan to navigate this election and protect your wealth. But if you're serious about leveling up your financial game, you'll want to know the AI tools that can stop you from losing money in the first place. Click here for my next video, Stop Losing Money, the AI tools that will change your life forever. It's a game changer for anyone serious about wealth building in 2024. And remember, don't just watch the election, be prepared for what it means for your financial future.